This Align Right Realty International property video is presented by Shauna 20 Calvert, 624 Winterside Drive, 4 beds, 3 baths, 3-car garage, 2,558 square feet, West Bay Nantucket floor plan, built 2014, new roof 2025. Welcome to 624 Winterside Drive, a beautifully maintained West Bay-built Nantucket floor plan located in the Bay Breeze enclave of MiraBay. This 2,558 square foot home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, all thoughtfully designed for comfortable living. The layout features a downstairs primary suite, soaring ceilings, tall doorways, and upgraded cabinetry, countertops, lighting, and fixtures throughout. A guest suite or office with French doors is located on the main floor, while 2 additional bedrooms and a spacious loft are situated upstairs, offering a perfect layout for multi-generational living or hosting guests. Recent upgrades include a brand new roof, 2025, new lanai screening, 2025, new interior paint, 2023, new LG refrigerator, 2023, and a new main HVAC system and pool heater, 2023. Additional enhancements include a tankless water heater 2021 and exterior paint 2021. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with a gas range, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, under-cabinet lighting, under-island storage, and upgraded cabinetry with built-ins flowing seamlessly to the large dining area. Interior details include luxury flooring, plantation shutters, crown molding, 8-foot doors, and a hardwood staircase. The private screened and fenced lanai is a tropical escape, featuring a heated spool, spa pool combo, a built-in outdoor kitchen, and lush landscaping. This home is in an area of MiraBay that offers full lawn care, landscaping, and all water usage inside and out, included in the HOA. MiraBay residents enjoy resort-style amenities such as a clubhouse and cafe, lagoon-style and lap pools, a 24-hour fitness center with sauna, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball, free kayak and paddleboard use, and golf cart-friendly streets. This home combines thoughtful upgrades, a flexible layout, and one of Apollo Beach's most desirable locations.